Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are headed over for breakfast, and you loved the shower.
Man, the bed was average, not terrible, because I've had Vegas beds are like the worst, but that shower was popping off. That was so good. Just sitting under anything. It was one of those ones where it's like under the stream.
Yes.
Oh,
you just
God.
stand there. And,
oh yeah.
Do you like it stupid hot, or are you like a medium
I
hot?
go stupid hot to the point where like my girlfriend will walk in after I'm done.
You're
and
a
just
lobster.
Complain. Yeah, just complain. I felt like you know Jessica Alba in Machete, where she's like, there's that scene where she's like in the shower leaning over. I was just doing that, but I look terrible, and she's hot as fuck. So yeah.
All right, well, let's go see what we have. Oh, actually, no, the bed is super soft. I love the bed because I just sink into it, and I like that kind of...
The pillows were giving me a problem. I had to stack up 3 just to get the feeling of
because your head just like...
Yeah, right through.
Yeah. Let's do breakfast. Grab some breakfast, right, boys?
Oh yeah.
You guys doing the fruit thing, eh?
Oh yeah.
I hate melon.
2 pieces and then.
Yeah, you're doing good. I like that. What does Matt do? This is an insight to what YouTubers
watermelon
eat.
tastes good, but it's so useless. Like it doesn't do anything for you. You just eat it and you just go, oh, I want real food now.
I'm hungry again. What the hell? Hello.
Hey, what's up?
We've got some toys here. I cannot wait. This looks pretty cool. I want to try it. Okay, this is what I'm eating. We got the oatmeal, orange juice, bowl of fruit, coffee, I guess that's yogurt and fruit, and then a couple carbs. That's what Matt got. What'd you guys get? Oh, you got grapefruit juice. I hate grapefruit juice.
Oatmeal. Got the oatmeal.
Yeah, look at the oatmeal, man.
Oh, God.
Oatmeal's the best.
Need more fiber.
Vomit alert.
Yeah.
Corey Williams. Craig Benson.
Hello.
Craig Benzine.
Oh, hello.
Wait. Greg Benson, Craig Benzine.
Wait, did you
very close.
Did you say both names?
I
say one name twice?
I slurred it on purpose, so
one
I
name
didn't
twice.
sound like I made a mistake.
I'm Greg Benson, and that's Greg Benson.
Right.
Okay, good.
I'm eating a Twizzler. Not a sponsor.
What is that? What do you have there,
Oh, well,
Greg?
these are delicious Twizzlers.
Nice.
This little section of your video is sponsored by Twizzlers.
Awesome.
Really? You think I get some
Hashtag
China, by the way.
Twizzlers. I had to run back to my room to get my new shirt and my tag. They wouldn't let me in this area without... All right.
Welcome! Just a few minutes of your time over here. Hello! My name is Michael Buckley. I'm so excited to be here and hosting the first ClamorCon in beautiful Palm Springs. It's so wonderful to see so many old friends and connect with many new people. It was so wonderful. Who was at the welcome reception last night? Yes! It was such great energy. And I love this event too because it doesn't matter if you have 10 million subscribers or 10,000 subscribers. We are all content creators and it feels very equal and very lovely. The community, as you know, has grown so quickly, and it's important that we have spaces like this to come together and share our experiences and talk about the industry as a whole. And last fall, Jonathan Katz, let's hear it for Jonathan Katz! Jonathan Katz approached me and he said he wanted to build this and he wanted me to be a part of it, and I told him nothing would make me happier, so I am pleased to introduce him as our first speaker, the YouTube lawyer and the creator of ClamorCon, Jonathan Katz!
Really, I just want to welcome you all. It's so nice to see so many friends, so many clients in the crowd. I've been representing you all for 3 years, and it's changed my life, and I've never been happier. You guys are the future of media, you're the future of marketing, and that doesn't have to feel icky. just because the industries that you guys entered into were like dominated by advertisers and television, and they have their way of doing things. You guys are changing all of that. You're disrupting how people discover the products and the services and the lifestyles that they cherish and love. I hope you all have an amazing conference, and thank you again all for coming.
We've been doing music for 8 years. We have done tracks with composers for 8 years, and we've built a library of more than 30,000 tracks.
How are you? Welcome. You look adorable. Don't I look like a camp counselor? I'm a camp counselor. So all
Hey, Greg.
Cut.
What's going on?
Cut.
Cut. I want to see you ride a bike.
Cut.
Get on a bike.
Get on the mic? Oh, the bike.
Bike.
Oh, right. Yeah. I'll get on the mic. I'm going to bust some rhymes.
All right.
Yeah.
Nice.
Are you having fun? Is this a good thing?
This is a very good thing.
Right on.
I can't wait to check out Epic and whatever it's called.
Cut.
Free music. Cut. I kind of like the one that's inside. This is nice though, isn't it? Yeah.
How is she doing it? So good.
All right, time to ride the scooter. It's supposed to be. Let's try this. Oh, very nice. Oh, sweet. This is what YouTubers do for fun. I guess once you get the hang of it. Yeah. And it's booking. This is top speed right now. Ah. I'm just waiting for me to wipe out or get hit by a car. Come on, Matt. Cue ball, let's go. Get some wheels. Get hit by a car. These are kind of cool. And they fold up, or yours is faster than mine. Or I'm heavy. I love it. Kickstand, that's how you put it down. And that also turns into your foot stand. Very cool.
I'll take that.
It's all yours. Oh, check that out. Dun,
Look at
dun, 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 dun. It's like a shark attack.
Yeah.
It's nice.
And at some point, you guys were really obsessed with it. And I say this especially as someone who obviously is as obsessed over it, continues to obsess over it. I'm also quite a bit of data. So, you know, the most important thing, I think long-term, and identify development truly ties into your brand identity. And the algorithm's not going to define that for you, right? Your audience is going to define that for you. Your own creativity is going to define that for you. The algorithm is obviously very, very important. There's really no punishment for experimenting on YouTube. Completely forgot about all that and still make great content.
Thank you guys so much, each of you.
I just want to make a quick question.
Just got my picture with Tim and Daryl Eves. So these are the gentlemen that I'm telling you guys about if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel. Listen to these guys. Like, I classify them as the middle guy between YouTube and you. These guys, the middleman. The middleman?
The middleman.
The middleman. Like not the tin man, but the middleman. It is lunchtime. Time to grab some grub. So this is what I got for lunch. I got 2 different sandwiches. One of them is like an Italian thing. I got 3 little desserts, soup, water. Q's got food. They've got food. They've already eaten it. And now it's time to eat.
All right. So, thank you. And one clap. What most people don't know, they're like, hey, you put these videos up on YouTube to do how-to tips, and basically don't know that when I have an extra 20 minutes, that's when I do it.
Now they have like ice cream. Everybody's in line for ice cream. Let's gonna go check it out. Caramel chocolate. All that ice cream.
I don't even like ice cream.
We're just about to shoot a video for Reckless Eating's channel. Matt, what are we doing? Just
it's just sriracha sauce.
Oh, it's just
sriracha.
sriracha sauce.
It's Frank's hot sauce.
Oh, do you like Frank's?
I like Frank's.
We've got the camera happening. So ClamorCon set up like multiple rooms, like there's what, 4 or 5? Do you guys know how many rooms they set up?
There are, yeah.
This says staff on their thing, but they really don't know what the hell's going on.
No, we're not staff.
You are staff.
So we're gonna.
How dare you lie?
I'm staff.
You're staff.
I knew this room was here. I let Matt know.
Awesome.
No, we need to
Thanks
get
for
one of
that.
these.
Those guys.
Thanks for
I
that.
can see all of us. That's cool.
So I'm gonna shut the camera off.
Piece, but-
You're gonna have to go check it out on Reckless Eating. It'll probably be up in like
Yeah, whatever.
December.
Probably in 2027.
2027.
Now I have to post in 2027.
Yeah, because you said it. It's on camera.
It's all camera.
Can't erase it. The challenge is all over. I'm not gonna tell you who won and who lost, but all 5 of us
I couldn't
did
believe
it.
that Q got naked though.
Yeah.
Quincy got naked.
Yeah, he said he had to do some type of a bowel movement, and next thing you know, he was naked.
He's naked. Oh, I'm feeling
Teaser.
it. Oh, I feel it.
So we're trying to get over to the store just to. It's actually gurgling in my stomach.
Yeah. It was. I mean, that was straight Carolina Reaper peppers, but
Yes.
it's just diluted a little bit. But oh,
With vinegar and.
yeah.
So, let's go get some food.
Better. Ooh, iced cream.
Palm Springs, everywhere. So, what did you choose to help calm your stomach?
Well, Diet Coke is just because I need a boost because I'm literally falling asleep while walking. But I got some combos. You just put a little bit of, a little snack in your stomach. It should help soak it up a little bit.
Nice. I went with the traditional ice cream. This is called the Giant, so there's actually more ice cream than normal sandwich. This is one of my favorite things I'll always get on a hot day in the summertime.
Ooh.
Hi, world.
This is Tina, and she is awesome. Everybody's like in the other room having drinks and stuff. And Tina, I just saw somebody out in the hallway wearing one of these. I'm like, where'd you get that from? He's like, go talk to Tina.
The mad scientist.
The mad scientist.
So
And
welcome to MadPax.
check out what she has. Do your hashtag, your email address, or I guess
Tina at madpax.com.
There you go.
Or we'd love for you to pick up the pack of your choice at MadPax, which is MADPAX.com. Today it's coming up on Pack to School, but every day is kind of Pack to School.
Pack to School.
You can wear it to school, wear it for after school activities, just rock it anywhere. I think they're amazing because they're all 3D based, and it says, you know what? This bag says who I am. This bag says who I am.
Check that out. I like that.
Thank
And
you.
Look at all these bags, and you designed every one of them.
Yes,
this is
sir.
your company.
They're all patented.
I am very happy for you.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you.
Big handshake.
Okay, have
Thank
a
you.
great day. Thank you.
It is now happy hour. Everybody is gathered around. Oh, just a second. We are now on the bus to go to a trampoline place and
Hail Satan.
hail Satan. That's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna have tacos.
I don't really care. We're gonna get drunk, eat tacos, and get on trampolines.
That sounds like a lot of time.
That can't go wrong.
That can't go wrong. They've got special foam, and we signed waivers, so if
And
we
all
die,
of
it doesn't matter.
All of those things are unlimited, so.
Really? Alcohol's unlimited too?
Oh, I don't know.
There goes me editing the vlog later.
Not unlimited. It hasn't been unlimited so far.
Yeah, they've
so I
only
don't think
given
it's gonna be
2
at the
tickets
trampoline place.
Off
per.
camera, I may or may not have extra tickets.
I think that time has passed though.
I don't know.
You're taking a gamble, sir.
Well, we'll find out.
Hail Satan.
Hail Satan. Thank you. We are at Trampoline Park. Where do you want us to go? That way. Hello.
Hello, welcome.
If we fill out the waiver, where do we go?
Right here.
Okay.
Yep. And then just so that you're aware, once the beer garden opens up later on tonight, once you step foot into there, we will switch out your wristband and you can't jump anymore. And then once the
You
beer
can't jump while drunk?
no.
Damn it!
I didn't expect that to happen.
You didn't expect that?
I can't believe that's
You knew
a
that was gonna
policy here.
Apparently the tacos are outside. You gotta eat first, and then jump.
Yeah,
one of these.
Q, what did you get, buddy? Looks like one of everything.
Yep, pretty much.
What's that, like 3 tacos?
3 tacos and a quesadilla.
Okay. Is there, like
Chicken and steak.
is there a menu, or you just say, give me the works?
Thank you.
I'll do the same thing, please.
Give them the works.
What did you ask for? You just want chicken,
One of each.
beef, and what is that?
Chicken? Wait.
It's like spicy chicken or something?
Yeah, I assume.
You assume?
Yeah.
You just take what people give you and you don't question it, eh?
Yeah.
That's a roofie story waiting to happen. Throw one on for me, please.
Are these beans?
Alan. Have so many hands.
Pork.
Pork. Ah, perfect. And 1 jalapeno, please.
Maybe they think
Since you're here helping me.
Yeah, you know.
All right, thank you, sir. Look at that, Mexican food. They give you socks to do jumping. All right, Craig, how you doing? Hey, China.
I will be the guy who stands above you
Above me?
all day. Yeah.
That's just weird.
Looming over you.
You're gonna lean. How are ya? Wisecrack. Time to jump. Time to jump. My biggest problem is the fact that I shouldn't have been wearing this shirt for this. I should have changed. I'm afraid I won't come out.
Right.
Now go on top. I'm gonna do what you guys did, just jump in.
Yeah. Alright, it's pretty fun.
I'm gonna hold my phone in my other hand just in case. Nice. Let's record me trying to get out. Trying to turn over.
Yep,
Brutal. Oh, my glasses.
Yep.
Felt them coming off. Jeez.
Actually, don't throw.
Wow. I think I'll stick to the trampolines.
I know, right?
Because that's just crazy.
Too much of a workout.
And again, I'm wearing a Hawaiian shirt. What a dumbass. Yeah, I'm really glad we didn't drink first.
I know.
Talk about exercise. Oh! Nice. Whiplash.
It surprises you. Yeah.
screen and Clamor Club. Hope you're having a blast.
Hey guys, we're gonna try that again. We just want to say welcome to everybody. Big shout out to Full Screen and Camerathon. We hope you're having a blast. We wanted to let you know there's beer outside.
So this is the ninja course. We've got little walls, hanging stuff, craziness.
Let's go!
Oh, you're both down.
All right.
Oh my word.
And I see instantly.
Come on, it's not over. It's only uphill all the way.
And the winner goes to...
Oh, it changes direction. So, are you glad we didn't drink beer first? Congratulations. Was it worth it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a nice little rush.
All right, Matt's leaving us.
Bring it in.
See you, buddy.
I'll leave the key card in there for you. You can put it under your armpit if you want to smell it a little bit. That's cool.
I'll treasure it forever.
Hail Satan. I hope that becomes my new thing on your channel.
Sure.
Ooh, do some like memes of me saying Hail Satan to Ken and post it on his Twitter so I can see it. At MadZionWee on Twitter.
There you go.
I want to see it.
Give it a shot.
Hail Satan.
Hail Satan.
All right, Ken.
Have
it's
a
good seeing
safe
you.
drive home.
Yep, we'll do.
Okay. Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, no, thanks for having me on there. That saved me money and a drive because I was gonna have to drive back again to do that. So cool.
All right.
Till VidCon.
All right. See you then. All right, all done at the trampoline air park. Time to get back and edit.
What time is it really?
Edit for you.
Because on the East Coast.